My name is Anastasia. Join me today at the Salon restaurant in London for a very special reason. This venue here features an incredible installation made of a variety of materials, including craft resin, created by the talented artist Nia. Obviously you mentioned about experience with craft resin. Is there a particular resin that you like using? Do you just use the 1:1 ratio, or do you like the deep core, which is the 2:1 ratio? Is there a particular one that you've used?
Well, again, for the installs that I've been doing so far, I didn't need to use the deep core resin, because I think mainly deep core is for the pieces that will have them on the floor, or like if it's a table, or if it's kind of an installation or something that's actually the weight is being held by the ground, or because it's heavy, you'll end up heavy. In some cases you really need to get that kind of depth with a lot of resin. So so far I haven't had anything like it, because most of the installations that I've done, strangely, they were mostly been in the ceiling.